Yo, yo. All right, so I was at my friend's house the other day, and we were mixing down from the MPC to computer, doing the normal things, the EQing and all that stuff. And I'm going through the MPC functions really quickly, like I normally do. And my boy was like, hey, wait, go back. What was that you just hit right there? And what he was talking about was you hit mode, program. There's a filter here. All right. You can go do the highs, lows, all that stuff. Filter, each kick snare and all that stuff. But here, there's another one. Now that would disappear, and I couldn't figure out why. When you'd hit it, sometimes it would just be there, sometimes it wouldn't be there, and it would let you just keep going and messing with things. And I couldn't figure out. I was like, why is it doing that? I couldn't figure it out. It took me up until about 3 years ago to figure out that that's why. You just hit it again, and it appears, and you can do the exact same thing to your kick snare that you did over here. And the same, A1, I think, is that one there. So say we're playing with this kick here, which you can't hear because I don't have a kick on there. You could do the same thing with this filter here, which is the same pad. So essentially you have two different filters for one pad, as opposed to what I thought was only one. So hit it again and it's gone. So yeah, I didn't know that was there, or that I could control it the way that I could up until, like I said, about 3 years ago. My boy didn't know anything about it because he was like just kind of clueless to the MPC. But if it helps anybody, cool. Maybe a lot of you have known about this for many years. So yeah, there it is. And yeah, if you have any questions about any of this or anything else, don't hesitate to leave me a message and I'll get back to you. All right, thanks again.